Welcome to the channel. This is a Mercedes and SLK 350. This is a 2010. So I'm going to tell you guys how to reset the oil service light. So let me just show you the service light, what it says before we proceed. So when you go to a second position, you can see right there it's saying service exceeded by 6 days. So we're going to reset it. So the procedure of how to do it, let me just take you guys. So you take your key like this, and then you go to position 1, just like that. You just turn it once, and then when that thing comes like that, so what you do, you make sure right here is going to be on the mileage. Make sure it's on mileage like that. And then once that happens, you just come to this side right over here. You can see, guys, there's three stuff. There's an up down there. You press it 3 times as you look right over here. Let me do it. So when you do it 3 times, it's going to show this battery voltage thing right here. Now when that shows up, you just come back, and then let me take you through what next you do. You'll be working from here and here. So next you just press this right here, the lower arrow, and then you see what shows up there. There's a service menu which comes up. So right from there, you leave this section, you come to this plus and minus right over here. So you scroll down, you go to confirmation. And once you do that, you just come to this other section. Then what you do, you press this right here. So when you press this like that, it confirms it. It says full service, and then you say yes. So you just press this one again. It's a full service, and then it says service confirmed. I think you guys can see right there, service confirmed. So it has reset the light. So let me proceed from there. So what we do next, we just take our key out. So we have our key like this. So we need to confirm if the service has been really reset. So you just go back again like that. You go second position, and then you just scroll down from right here. It's saying right here, service display not available. So maybe we just run the car for a minute. And then once that is done, so what you do, you just scroll down from here. So you go all the way. So it tells us the next service is going to be after 10,000 miles. So our service has been reset successfully. So you're good to go. All right, thank you for watching. If you loved it, please leave a like and subscribe. Then I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.